Jamaica records its lowest murder rate in 32 years, an historic feat, one that I gladly welcome. But at the same time, police are killing more civilians than any other period in history. So, the question is there a correlation between the decline in murder rates and the increasing police killings? This is Granville, a working class community on the outskirts of Montego Bay, Jamaica's second city and its tourism capital. It sits in St. James, one of the parishes with the highest concentration of gang activity and the security force operations in the island. Since the start of the year, at least 5 persons have been killed in this single neighborhood.
It was a sad start to the new year in Granville, St. James, after 2 men and a 4-year-old child were shot and killed during a police military operation in the community.
Oh, the police always never run, always have to be, for them reply always be shootout. Why it always be shootout and can't be the police them? And the police them are the wickedness, brethren.
On Mother's Day, May 11th, 17-year-old Tjey Edwards is shot dead as a police team ends its morning operation.
When the police stop the youth stop and give up and put your hand up in our ear, so. See, if you put up your hand in our ear, that means he surrender. If he surrender, he don't have to get no gunshot.
On the 17th of May, Latoya Bulgin, driving protesters to a rally about Tjey's death, is shot at the police checkpoint in Granville Square. She was 45, a mother of 2, a local businesswoman. The whole thing was caught on a private CCTV camera. The footage went viral. Police High Command moved fast. The officer was suspended within hours. In a statement, the High Command said they reached their decision after reviewing preliminary information, including the CCTV.
From all indications, it doesn't look good.
Here's the paradox in plain numbers. Murder in 2025, down 42%, the lowest in 32 years. Police fatal shooting in 2025, up 64%, the highest in 15 years. 311 people killed by the security forces. 2023, 155. 2024, 189. 2025, 311. By May 2026, 135 people have already been killed year to date. April alone saw 36 deaths, the worst single month in over 3 years. The government argues that tough policing is working. We're targeting gangs, seizing guns, disrupting network. That is why murders are down. But Jamaica's own police oversight body, INDECOM, reviewed 21 years of data and found no links between police killing and falling in murder rate. So if police killings aren't driving the crime decline, then why are they killing more people? The JCF has 1,000 body-worn cameras. They announced their acquisition, human rights groups welcomed it, but on the day Latoya Bulgin was shot, 3 officers monitoring a public protest had 0 cameras between them. INDECOM confirmed it. Across the 311 fatal shootings in 2025, the vast majority had no independent visual recording at all.
We need body camera for every police.
Sometimes all these people calling on the police to always have cameras should go there and go to Twickenham Park and let the JD fire some rounds on them head, them hear what that F-16 buzzing on them head is like.
The only reason we knew what happened in Granville is because a private business had a security camera positioned at the right street. That's not accountability, that's luck. And Jamaicans for Justice made this point directly in their statement after the shooting. They said, and this is important, the incident highlights the gap between internal accounts of fatal encounters and the evidence that emerges when independent footage is available. Basically, what Jamaicans for Justice is saying is that when there is footage, the story changes. But when there isn't, the official version of the incident is usually standard.
We do not pay taxes to fund the police force for the police force to be the instrument that takes life.
So what's your take, people? I would love to know in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you want to support this channel, please by all means like this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so as yet. Until next time, walk good and stay safe.